Today, we're diving into the world of oral hygiene and taking a look at some of the top 5 best electric toothbrushes on the market in 2024. I know, choosing the right electric toothbrush can be overwhelming. There are so many options available with different features and price points. But fear not, because I've done the research and I'm here to help you find the perfect match for your smile. Before we dive into these game changers, would you mind doing us a favor? Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more awesome tech content. Want to get hands-on with these amazing toothbrush? Check out the description below for all the links. Let's get started. Number 5. Oral-B AO Series 9. The Oral-B AO Series 9 is an electric toothbrush brimming with innovation and technology, promising a dental cleaning experience unlike any other. The AO Series 9 comes in various colors, allowing you to choose one that matches your style. It offers a long-lasting battery life, so you can enjoy days of brushing without needing to recharge. The brush is compatible with various replacement brush heads, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. Overall, the Oral-B AO Series 9 is a game-changer in the world of electric toothbrushes. It offers an unparalleled cleaning experience, personalized coaching, and smart features that take oral hygiene to a whole new level. Number 4. Philips Sonicare 9500 Prestige. This is a top-of-the-line electric toothbrush that offers a variety of features to help you achieve a healthier smile. It features a sonic cleaning technology that uses high-frequency vibrations to remove plaque and bacteria, and it comes with 5 cleaning modes to customize your brushing experience. Features: powerful cleaning performance, variety of cleaning modes, pressure sensor, timers, Bluetooth connectivity. The Philips Sonicare 9500 Prestige is a great choice for those who are looking for the best possible electric toothbrush experience. It offers powerful cleaning performance, a variety of cleaning modes, and a host of features to help you achieve a healthier smile. However, it is also expensive and requires replacement brush heads. Number 3. Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0. The 2.0 is a unique product that combines the power of an electric toothbrush with a built-in water flosser. This innovative device offers a convenient and effective way to clean your teeth and gums, and it's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their oral hygiene routine. Effective cleaning removes plaque and debris from teeth and gums. Convenient, brush and floss with one device. Gentle, soft bristles and water pressure won't irritate gums. Customizable, choose from different brush modes and pressure settings. Travel-friendly, compact design and travel case make it easy to take on the go. Number 2. Oral-B Pro 1000. Are you looking for an affordable and effective electric toothbrush to upgrade your oral hygiene routine? Look no further than the Oral-B Pro 1000. This popular model has gained a loyal following due to its powerful cleaning performance, user-friendly features, and budget-conscious price tag. The Oral-B Pro 1000 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, user-friendly, and affordable electric toothbrush. It offers a superior cleaning experience compared to manual toothbrushes and features helpful functionalities like a pressure sensor and timer. While it may lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, it delivers exceptional value for its price tag. Number 1. Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 4100. This is a mid-range electric toothbrush that packs a powerful punch. It offers a gentle yet effective cleaning experience with 5 modes, a pressure sensor, and a travel case. Whether you're looking to upgrade from a manual toothbrush or simply want to improve your oral hygiene routine, the Protective Clean 4100 is a great option to consider. Sonic technology removes up to 7x more plaque than a manual toothbrush. 5 cleaning modes: clean, white, sensitive, gum care, and tongue care. Pressure sensor alerts you if you're brushing too hard. Quadrant timer ensures you brush each quadrant of your mouth for the recommended amount of time. Travel case makes it easy to take your toothbrush with you on the go. Long-lasting battery, up to 2 weeks of battery life on a single charge. Thanks for joining me on this journey to a brighter smile. I hope this video helped you find the perfect electric toothbrush for 2024. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content and leave a comment below with your favorite electric toothbrush. Until next time, keep smiling. Thanks for watching.